of all, I just want to say I'm very relieved that the truth did come out, but I'm also determined to ensure that people know that they can't make any false and reckless statements on social media or the media.
And what has the impact been on this case, or rather the accusations that were placed on you and being branded as a child rapist in public domain?
It's life-changing. All aspects of my life has been affected. My professional career, personal life, physical, emotional. Yeah, it's just affected everything. Family life. Your whole existence.
Being that you're still the principal of Berkeley College, have you experienced parents being concerned about the safety of learners in the school following the accusations?
There's been quite a few people who have expressed it, but the school has taken precautions, and I've not been back to school yet to perform my duties on site. So I've been doing it off site.
And when do you expect to go back to normal life?
Okay, sorry, we don't have answers on that.
Yeah, I can't answer. Yeah.
Do you guys want Afrikaans?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyako Peter, principal of Bigview College Eastern Cape, has laid criminal injury charges against the EFF leader Julius Malema, ANC SG Ufikile Mbalula, and Education MEC Ufundile Gade. He said that three men have falsely accused him of raping a 7-year-old Aqweqwe. You know ukuthi le ndzaba lena uyashukumisa mhlaba wonke, bantu baphuma ngetinkani batoyitoya bathi akaboshwe principal uguilty wayangafuni ama-DNA. I think the reason why kwaba nemlilo wabhebhetheka wabheka ngakuye kukuthi kwavakala ukuthi akafuni ma-DNA sample akhe. Say people assumed ukuthi akafuni because he's hiding something, ne? So it's the first time semuva futhi akhuluma, and uyasho ukuthi this whole thing affectile badly kakhulu, because we know ukuthi, if you didn't know, well now you know ukuthi une, I think in my guest house, sort of my guest house. So he once said ukuthi banda basethi ngisho nalapho kuma guest house akhe business, it's just low nje. So uyasho ukuthi ufuna kubathathela tinyathelo. We know ukuthi baningi balabathi vela kaboshwe, and naye uyasho ukuthi baningi, but now ufuna kudila nema big fish, bo Julius Malema, uyabo bo Fikile Mbalula nabo Fundile Gade, because bantu labakhulu labale etulu ku top. So he's even saying ukuthi uqwayisa abantu ukuthi they should really be careful ngetinto labatikhuluma ma social media netinto labatibhala ko, because they ngam affect us so badly impilo yemuntu. You know the funny thing ukuthi the very same people who were saying ukuthi akaboshwe principal uguilty wayala nemasampuli, the very same people who were saying ukuthi akaqoshwe akashintshiswe, now they are saying ukuthi ya basuke wena, ya babophise wena. Yo guys, I've been in my piqe. And we know ukuthi NPA keep a statement lesho ukuthi liqala laqweqwe lisicithile, because there's no evidence ukuthi ugrapiwe ngempela, no suspects, no what. Bayiqitha liqala laqweqwe till today. It's still quiet, but mawaqweqwe usaba update abantu lapha ku Facebook yake ukuthi utolwa ngeke nje aze avume umntwana kadlengulwe kuthuleke nje njalo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.